In this video, we will review the Power Chart module. It's a module that helps us identify and organize the players in the account who may be involved in decision-making processes. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Opportunity Optimizer dashboard. Look for the module name and click on it. As you can see, this Power Chart is quite big. You can zoom out or zoom in, or even center all of the items to fit the screen by clicking on the icon with the 6 bars. Available elements include the client, external, competitor, partner, and us. If you click on the pencil icon on a particular element, you can view and edit information about them, like what is his reputation as a salesperson, or what is his relationship with that client. Now let's add an element. New items will default to the bottom of the chart or where there is space available. Let's drag and drop it next to this player because this member of our team has an existing relationship with this other person. If we open up the new player to edit it, we can answer these 4 questions. We ask, what is his power in the sale? What is his sponsor level? What access does he have to stakeholders? And what is his role in the sales process? You can also change the image to quickly identify the person, but for now, I'll leave it as is. After you've made the changes, click on the Save button on the top right. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.